what are good foods to eat. You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new and yet to subscribe, be sure to do that, and welcome to my channel. I post a lot of fitness and nutrition advice, as well as the occasional vlog on Themightymiracleman. Check out the story of my accident and you'll learn why I'm called to that. Okay, let's get into the 7 foods every bodybuilder needs to eat. We'll start with one of the staples of bodybuilding, eggs. I'm not talking about just any eggs though. Get the organic kind. Number one, they taste better, and two, there's plenty of vitamins none in the regular eggs. Another staple of bodybuilding, especially for the protein, is salmon. Fishy. You want to make sure you get wild-caught salmon. A lot of the canned salmon is actually wild, and that has all your EPA and DHA. Get those essential fatty acids. The third food you want to get are almonds. Yeah, California almonds are good, tasty. They're actually slightly alkaline, drain your metabolism, and keep your blood pH level. Number 4 on the list is dark chocolate. Tasty chocolate, but don't get just any chocolate. Dark chocolate is the best for bodybuilding and has lots of antioxidants. Number 5 should be barely obvious. You want to get in those leafy greens and help remove the bile from your digestive system. Number 6, olive oil. You want to make sure to get the extra virgin kind. It's held to a higher purity standard, and you definitely want pure olive oil for your cooking and salads and anything you put it in. So the final thing on my list of bodybuilding foods would have to be avocados. They're so tasty. Just put them on a salad or a sandwich, and they're really